Sometimes you'll get notifications for ad campaigns on X or Twitter if you're using it professionally, but if you don't want those ad campaign notifications, you can disable them. In this video, we'll show you how to do that. First, open the X app. After that, at the top, you'll see your profile button. Tap on this profile button. Once you do, you'll see Settings and Support. Just tap that. Next, you'll see Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, you'll find the Notifications option. Go ahead and tap Notifications. After that, tap on Preferences. Now tap Preferences, and here you'll see Push Notifications. Tap on Push Notifications. When you scroll down, you'll find X for Professionals. Under that, there's Ad Campaigns. Sometimes it's turned on by default, which is why you're getting those notifications. If you don't want them, just turn this off. After that, you won't get ad campaign notifications anymore. So that's how you can easily disable these kinds of notifications on X or Twitter. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.